Hey guys, we're back with another video, and today I'm reviewing 1988 TMNT Toys. So let's get on with the toys. Let's start. So this is Leonardo. So he's the leader of the group. He has the blue bandana. So as you see, well, the turtles are all the same. All that's different is the color of their bandana. And some of them do not have this cross thing. They have different weapons. So yeah. So if you're getting this, it's very hard to say. Okay? It's Leonardo. You guys see him? He's right here. So here we have Michelangelo. Yeah. This is the same thing as the other one, except he doesn't have a cross in his stomach. Yeah, it doesn't have a cross in his little thing in his stomach, and he has an M here, and an orange banana. But not like the new one, he has two. Okay, let's see the nunchucks close up. So here is this one. This is nunchucks. Instead of like the chain thing, it's just one little bent piece of plastic. So yeah, it's just like Leonardo, it's just one solid piece of code. Yeah. Next one. Next one. We have Donatello, the hardest one to stand. So annoying. So Donatello is basically the same thing, but this one has a cross in it, and well, he has the D and the purple bandana. So they all have these little, what's it called? Weapon holders on here. So here is it in close up. Gotta get out, it's very fragile. Used to have one of these and broke them into 4 pieces. These are very rare. So you saw him. Seen him in close up yet? Okay, so here's a bow stack up close. Just like the rest, they're all one solid piece of color. So yeah, this is like so weird that you do this. It's like it's hypnotizing you. So yeah, this is a bow stack. It's very small. If you have this, be very careful because, well, you could break it. It's very old. There's Donatello. Raphael, so he's pretty much also the same as the other ones, but he has a red bandana, he has the little arm, and he doesn't have a cross as well. So yeah, he has this little hand blade. He doesn't have the hook anymore. He used to have a hook thing, and he has the classic size. Like all of them, he has the yellow shell and the green. So they're all a little different color. So this is like dark green. This is like the lightest green. This is a mix of light and dark. And this one is like a brown, a green brown. So this is Raphael. So let's see the weapon. Oh yeah, I'll show you the close up. So front and back. So here we have the hand blade. It's like pizza cutting. The easiest Ninja Turtles to stand is him, because he has flat feet. Next one is Splinter. So here's Splinter. What's cool about this is they have actual felt capes and stuff. I don't know why, but Splinter has like a weird rat tail. Oh yeah, I mean a rat tail. Yeah, because he is a rat. A rattlesnake. And he has like some arm guards. And the rest of his body is like brown. And he has weird chest. He looks like a mole rat. Just gross. So yeah. You know, it would be cool if there was an S on here for Splinter, but it doesn't. all of them, they have twistable arms. And yeah, they're fully rotated. No, not fully. His head does not fully. His tail does. So here's the front. Here's the back. It's a weird tail, right? So he has this cane sword thing. He used to come with a bow and arrow, but we don't have it. So here's the cane sword. Maybe you can act like a old man. That's be like this. But yeah, it's pretty cool, right? We have this weird looking April O'Neil. So it fully rotates. So when you rotate, be careful because it becomes loose. You can also rotate the leg. We can kick you. Yeah. So you can sit her down to this. So you can talk. She used to come with a gun and a camera, but we don't have that. It's a very rare figure. There's Equal. Oh, that's Equal. Here's Bebop. He's the warthog. So Bebop, he comes with the red shoes, the little weird purple ponytail, the blue glasses, and the green nose ring. But these cannot come off. So like the chain, we cannot take it off. And he has very big hands. He has like turtle shoulder pads and chain, a skull chain, and an actual chain belt. Then he has a little tail, black pants, and yeah, and he has some arms, he has some wristbands. That's gonna be his weapon. So he has a drill gun. He can drill people like that. So there's some little buttons, and then like some big keys and scope. Then this is his knife. It's just all one solid color. It's like good guys have like one color, like brown. These guys have like metal stuff. So he doesn't have a shield. He doesn't have a shield. There's a drill gun. And imagine if this ball fell down. Rocksteady. This is cool. This is one of my favorite figures. This is Rocksteady. If you're gonna get this, he has a very hard belt. Belt. He has a little turtle shells on his belt. He's the rhino, of course. He has a little pilot helmet. Like a normal rhino. Big head. He has two wristbands, so one's green and one is black. And instead of a vest, he's wearing like a sleeveless shirt. And then some camel pants, a green belt, and some black tap shoes. Yeah, they all have pegs on their feet because it's for a playset. So here, this guy's Rocksteady is missing his knife. Here's the front shot, and here's the back shot. Okay, so here is this gun. So it has a scope, and it has like a little arm thing. So it's like, yeah, it's basically a sniper. Yeah, there's a sniper and a city super shield. So this is the thing that Bebop's missing. And this is this is the thing. Okay, so later. This is what Rocksteady's missing. So yeah. This is the foot soldier. I don't know if he comes with any weapons, but my dad said that he's an actual mutant. Like mutants in costumes. And he has a little face. He looks like a zombie. He has blue pants, and then the black boots, and then the purple shoes and stuff. So yeah, it's just like the new one, but he's like crouching. So yeah, he has a giant head with a foot symbol on his head and some arm protection. It's like turtle shell texture. So yeah, that's basically it about it. Here's the front, here's the back. Okay, the last one, final one. Bad guy, the most baddest bad guy of them all. We have Shredder. It's so cool. It even has like little felt purple cape. But it's weird though, does he have a shirt under it? So yeah, this is the helmet. Not like the new one, you get to remove it. So he's also crouching. He's supposed to come with a katana, but we didn't get it. So he has like the same karate belt that all the Ninja Turtles and Splinter has. Yeah, but it doesn't say the kiss on it. It's Splinter and Shredder. So yeah, then there's the spiky things, and then he has like purple boots, and yeah, and he has the purple belt and the black pants. So this is the theme of like blue and purple. So here's the front, and here's the back. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe in 5 seconds or else someone will T-post in your door at like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, no one will T-post at your door because you subscribed to this channel. Bye!